Hello friends, today you can see Lenovo desktop means Lenovo CPU. Now today I buy the CPU ThinkCentre M710t model. You can see the configuration. Now I am making the unboxing. This one, the nice design, and the CPU is small and good and not heavy also. You can see I am making the unboxing. A lot of stickers are there. You can see your serial number and model number. Now I am started to unboxing. You can see now I open the box, and now first I remove the mouse. This is the mouse and power card. You can see there is keyboard is there. This is the keyboard. You can read right, Lenovo collapse USB keyboard. It is small but good. Yeah, see there is the CPU. Good configuration. I think i7 10th generation, 8 GB RAM. Processor also good. Now there is a plastic bag is there. Now I am removing this one. This is the mark. It's important. Nobody opened this before. Nice, right? You can enjoy. See there is the USB port, CD drive is there, and power is there. Speaker is there, headphone you can use, nice shape, small, easily you can open the box also. See, ThinkCentre, this is the Lenovo logo. See, now I am showing to this configuration, means what is there, how many ports are there, USB, VGA is there, you can put additional cards. Now unboxing here. Here I choose yes mouse also is there.